We are all born with the fear of falling. See, from the moment that your hands and feet start calling, the spaces further than the arms of your father, taking you to places so much further than behind the closed gates of your crib. But the falling is what makes you live longer, be stronger, and hold on to what you don't have, what you want to have. See, falling is what reminds your legs to keep walking and to keep running and to keep pushing on and on, because eventually falling turns into not just a physical thing but an emotional thing too, because you got your dreams falling, slipping away wherever it is that dreams come from. Then you have your hopes falling, giving up because they don't know what else to run from. And in a way, I guess falling equals dying, because planes fall, people die. Soldiers fall, people die. Buildings fall, and people die. But after we fall, the only way to go is up. See, hockey players fall all the time, but they still compete for the Stanley Cup. Then you got Amelia Earhart, who probably spent her day simply staring at the sky, just like Caroline Zane had to fall a couple of times before she learned to fly. And sometimes we fail at things, and we just sit down and wonder why. But it's not failing though, see, giving up, now that's the biggest crime. Because the hardest thing that you will learn in your whole life is how to walk and talk at the same time. See, I'm like a marching band member, but I'm the one at the back of the line, playing on the chimes. You probably can't hear it though, but without me, the whole symphony is off key. Because without me, everything falls apart. And even though we are all born with the fear of falling, we still fall asleep every night and wake up the next day to a world full of politics, love, adventure, name-calling, and more falling.